Welcome. In front of me is an LG K61 and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to start off, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture. For this purpose I'm going to use settings as an example, and once you have it open and visible on the screen, what you want to do is hold the power key and volume down, both of them at the same time. You'll get this animation, it's a fairly quick one, and it pops up on the side with a couple options right here: delete, edit and share. So you can choose that while it's visible, and then after a couple seconds it just fades away. Now the photo itself can be found in your photo gallery, so let's open that up. And you can see there it is, screenshot on the top, and once you tap on it you can view it. And also you have the same options right over here. So that is how you would capture a screenshot, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.